From the working committee of the Anflo Group, we planned out for this since April and May, so we can make this a reality.
I think from the start, no, our main concern was really safety and health of all of our employees. No? Not just when we acquired the vaccines, but even way before that, when we put all of our safety protocols in place and making sure that we had a safe work environment. Now that the vaccines are available, of course, this is really the next step, no, to protecting all of our employees and to at least us getting back to recovery. We purchased about 45,000 Moderna vaccines and I believe 10,000 AstraZeneca, if I'm not mistaken. So that should cover our over 12,000 plus employees and one dependent for each.
First, we had to coordinate with ICTSI. That's the buying group that we participated in. Aside from ICTSI, we also partnered up with Zwilig for the logistics. They also accredited health service provider, which is the BioCore, to help us in the inoculation and the administration of the vaccines.
Well, I know that the HR team and they've really put together a big committee for this, no? And they've really planned how to distribute it, how to fairly and equally distribute the vaccines. I know that we'll have a center here in Davao City, which is where we are today, Microtel. And later on in the north, I understand there will be several sites that will be used because that's really where the bulk of the employees will be. No? So there's going to have, I think hindi kaya ng isang site, it will have to be several sites. I hope all. No? I mean, it really depends. It really depends on when the vaccines arrive. No? I think if the vaccines were all here today, we would make sure that everyone would get vaccinated, but it really depends on the arrival of the vaccines.
Starting this month, we are looking at doing this activity once a month, at most twice a month, depending on the supply of the vaccines. Medyo staggered ang deliveries kasi because of the supply, so the vaccination of our employees will also be scheduled between now and December. This is the owner's way of showing concern for the health of their employees, at the same time, help the government in achieving herd immunity. So we are very thankful to our owners, the Florendo family, for showing this care and concern for the employees and our dependents. On behalf of the employees po, we thank you. Maraming salamat po. And also, I thank the working team who has spent time and energy in making this a reality. We are thankful for the generosity of our employers.
My family, the Florendo family, practically everyone has been vaccinated. We're feeling fine. A lot of our employees have already gotten vaccinated.
Let's stay healthy. Let's remain vigilant in the care for our protocols so that our employees will be safe. And let's brace ourselves for bigger challenges ahead.
Alam mo, it's the only way we're going to recover. It's the only way that we can really come back to a safe work environment if all of us are vaccinated. You should be okay. Hindi ka mamamatay, hindi maging severe yung case ng COVID mo. So please, if you're still hesitant, get vaccinated.
Let's get vaccinated and achieve herd immunity and get back to our life before pandemic.